Welcome. I am Nital Javeri, Director and CEO of Concept Business Excellence Private Limited. In this video, we are going to clarify and simplify how to apply the concept of MUDA or non-valuing activities in office environment. It is very easy to understand the concept of MUDA in manufacturing environment, but in case of office, often it is very difficult to understand. So in this video, we will clarify and simplify the concept of application of MUDA in office environment. In any organization, we have input, we process it, and we have output. In case of manufacturing, we process the raw material and we have finished product as an output. In case of office, what are we processing? We are processing information. So information goes in, information comes out. Raw information goes in, processed information comes out. If this concept is clear, then understanding MUDA will be very easy. Understand your office as a factory which is processing the information. Now, to understand this waste or non-valuing activity, we use this common acronym called TIM-WOODS, where T stands for transportation. In case of office environment, what are we transporting? Information. So when you are moving the information more than what is required in the form of email or software or document, it is called transportation waste. I stands for inventory. In case of office environment, when you have more inventory of information than it is required, it is called waste. For example, any to-do list which is waiting on your desk to be processed is called inventory of the work. If you have already done some work and it is not consumed or used by your next customer, then it is also called inventory waste. Motion. In case of office environment, it is not just physical walking or body movement, but any kind of searching or speaking more than required is also called waste. So if I get some information, it is not clear, I had to call my colleague and clarify that information. That is also called motion because I had to speak more than what is required. Waiting. Here again in office environment, we are waiting for information, we are waiting for decisions. That is the waiting waste. Overproduction. In case of office environment, when you produce information and data which is not being analyzed, which is not being used by anybody in the organization, it is called overproduction of information. Overprocessing. You have the information in different departments and different colleagues are processing this information more than what is required, unnecessarily processing the information. So you create a lot of different kind of spreadsheets from the same database unnecessarily. That is called overprocessing. Defects. In case of office environment, we are dealing with information. When we deal with the information, two things are very important: completeness and accuracy. If your information that you receive is not complete and accurate, and you have to clarify or you have to add some information or you have to scrap that information, it is called defect. So in case of office environment, when you receive any input as an information, how accurate and complete it is, that is called defect waste. Skills. Any ideas that are not used in the office environment for improving the process is also called waste. So if you have ideas, we must use these ideas for improvement in the organization. I think now it is very clear. So the basic idea we are talking about here is, in case of office environment, you are dealing with the information. In case of manufacturing, you are dealing with the material. So if you consider information as a basic ingredient, then it will be very easy for you to interpret the waste or MUDA. तो ये आज का हमारा एक टिप्स था आपको. हम ऐसे भी और टिप्स लेके आएंगे आपके पास कि आपकी कंपनी में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कल्चर कैसे बना सकते हैं. हमारी जो कंपनी है वो ऑपरेशनल एक्सीलेंस और बिजनेस एक्सीलेंस का ट्रेनिंग एंड कंसल्टिंग सर्विसेज में पिछले 20 सालों से काम कर रहा है. हमने 1000 से ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ काम किया है. अगर आपकी कंपनी में भी ऐसा कोई रिक्वायरमेंट है जहां पर आप अपनी कंसल्टेंसी कराना चाहते हैं या ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स कराना चाहते हैं ऑन बिजनेस एक्सीलेंस, ऑपरेशनल एक्सीलेंस, लीन, 6 सिग्मा, 5S, TPM, तो आप हमें ज़रूर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. पूरे डिटेल्स आपका नीचे दिया हुआ है. दोस्तों, आप हमारा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. हम आपको निरंतर अलग अलग अपडेटेड वीडियोस आपको पहुंचाते रहेंगे. और कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर से लिखिए आप नेक्स्ट कौन सा टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो देखना पसंद करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।